For this Mother's Day celebration, this is how I choose to celebrate it by teaching my kids how to do house chores. This is how we do it back home in Africa, in Liberia, washing with our hands, and this is something that I miss so much. Even though I have washer and dryer in my home, but this is something that I just wanted to show my kids, teach them how to do these things just in case we live in the world. You never know what might happen. I'm not praying for the bad, but we have to keep the children, we have to make them to be prepared for life. And this is how I choose to do mine as a mom, teaching my children to learn patience, know how to do things right. And in my home, there's nothing like this is a boy house chores or a girl house chores. They're gonna learn everything that they need to learn, whether they are boy or girl. Right now, I don't have girl, but with my two boys, they are willing to help every time and any time that I'm doing something in the house. And yeah, this is what we are doing on a Saturday back home. We wash every Saturday. So yeah, this is what I'm teaching my kids. I hope you like this video. Comment, subscribe, and follow us for more on our family channel. I wash this clothes 2 times, so you have to wash it first to take away all of the dirt. Wash it again, rinse it, and then you hang it up. So this is me in the bathroom with my boys trying to clean up. And yeah, after washing and rinsing, now we are hanging up the clothes. I put this on the clothes rack right in the other room. You might want to know why I'm having it in here. You can put it outside for the sun. You can keep it inside just for the room temperature to dry. Anyways work for you, you can do that. But yeah, hope you have a wonderful time. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you're gonna try this at home. With this method, you wash your clothes very, very clean. As you can see, you take all of the dirt because the kids play outside. So I think this is what I'm going to be doing from now on, to keep washing their clothes with my hand. It keeps the clothes to stay, new. With the washer, sometimes the clothes fade and all of that. But I think this is the best way for me for now on. So yeah, hope you have a great time and thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Have a blessed day. Happy Mother's Day to all my mothers out there.